Hey guys, it's Dawn here, and we got the EP Max. Gonna do a little test and see about this whole free spin and power alarms thing. We're gonna check it out on the Max. This is actually something that you can probably do on any Begode wheel, but we'll do it on the Max. Let's see. I'm a little bit scared. I have him up on the stand, but this is a big heavy wheel, and he's a very powerful wheel. So I'm going to turn them on. Oh, God. All right. Fingers crossed. And then we turn on. All right. We just need to control his spin. All right. Right there. Hold it right there. I'm checking on the phone here. I only got one hand. I'm going to set. No. God, this is so hard. Power alarm. I'm going to set the power alarm to 50. 50%, confirm. Sent successfully. Okay. So, all right, we're going to listen for the beeps. That means I need to get into darkness spot now, which means I need to clear out of the Begode app. Hold on there, Max. And go to darkness spot. All right, so I updated the firmware, which I think it was already the firmware on there, but I want to check the settings on darkness spot too and see what it says. All right, everything looks good here on darkness spot. And, oh, what happened? All right, we're going to start the test. We're watching the PWM and listening for beeps. At 50%, all right, so it started beeping at 40%, right? 42%. All right, cut out. Cut out. All right, so that was behavior. Ooh, look at that. I got 93.2 miles per hour as the top speed. There it stopped. All right, so yeah, it's not a progressive. It's the power beeps is not progressive. So if we set this now this is this is not PWM beeps. This is Begode's power alarms, and it says alarms by PWM. So 50%, it was going off at 42% on the darkness spot app. I'm going to change it now to 80%, which is what we usually do. And I believe when we do that, then it starts beeping at 60%, something like that, but we'll check it out. All right, so 80%, it's set. I want to reset this trip. I'm going to start this over. Ooh, take a deep breath. And start it back up again. There we go. I'm slowing it down. Oh. Where's my 80% beats? 86, 87, 87, 89, 90, 93, 94, 95. It's not beeping at all. I'm at 100%. I have random single beeps. Okay, you guys saw that. I don't like that at all. Oh, it didn't even cut out yet. What? It didn't even cut out yet. All right, I'm going to do it again, but it's not even beeping until forever. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Control. I'm at 100, 101. Okay, well, the good news is those are progressive beeps, but they're not coming on at 80%. They're coming on at 100%. And now it doesn't seem to want to cut out until 101%. I want to make it cut out, and let's see what it thinks its cutout is now. So easy, easy. 99, no beeps. But you know what? It's not cutting out. Hold on, I want to do it again. I want to try to go up a little bit slower. Oh, there's one beep. Two beeps. All right, cutting it out. I'm leaning the whole stand, you guys. Oh, shit. Don't tell me. No, I can stop it. Did it cut out? Okay, it cut out now. Holy shit, that scared me. I thought it wasn't gonna stop. Oh my gosh, that scared me. I thought it wasn't gonna stop. Okay, so 93.1 miles an hour. PWM is now at 100.1 for some reason. It's been 100. It's been 100. And just earlier, you just saw it cut out at 100. But now it's saying 101. And I don't even know how to explain those power beeps. They seem very erratic. They were not consistent. They were all over the place. And there does seem to be some kind of progressiveness to them, but definitely not reliable. And why are all of the beeps all like in that 9900 per 101 range? That is not a lot of safety margin at all. So I don't like those beeps. And those beeps are found in the darkness spot and in the Begode app. It is called this is in darkness spot. This is under the device, under settings, alarms by PWM. So that was this one. I'm like, should I do more tests? But I don't know. To me, this is already BS. This is no good. That's why I don't even go by that. I go by PWM alarms, which is you go by app alarms in darkness spot, sound, and then by PWM. And how this would work is actually now I'm kind of nervous. So maybe we'll check this out. I'm going to set this to 80, 85, and 90. Now these are PWM beeps. That means that these beeps should come to my phone. And in the meantime, I'm going to disable the I'm going to disable these beeps. I'm just going to set the wheel beeps that we were just messing with to 100. I'm just isolating the PWM beeps because I want to see this behavior. So now this sound should be coming from my phone. So I'm going to set. Okay, good. So sound is from my phone. So now these are alarms coming to whatever Bluetooth device that you have, which would be my helmet. But for here, I'm going to set it to my phone. So my phone should beep. And now let's check out the behavior. Trip reset. Start it back up again. Oh no. Okay. Oh. No. Hold on. Why did the screen? Why are you changing? Okay. All right, slowly. There we go. Whoa. Okay, so you hear my phone beeping at first. At the end there, the wheel was starting to do beats. So we're going to check that a little bit more. But let's start this up again. I'm going to try to hold it at 80, then 85, and then 90. Try. This is hard with one hand. $80, $85. So 80. Okay, so you hear the progressiveness of my helmet beeps. Oh, there was that random wheel beat. There's that random wheel beat. Okay. All right, the wheel is did not cut out. Oh no. Stop. Hold on. I'm gonna try to turn it off. There. Oh, good. All right. So yeah, my PWM beeps seem to be good and accurate and working well. The power beeps from Begode's PWM beeps, I don't like those. And they seem to be inconsistent and weird. The helmet beeps are nice and progressive. The other power beeps are quite random. And then you saw in this test how we were getting that random single beep. Yeah, I have no words. All right, there you go. Hope that's helpful, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.